Outstanding viewing with crisp, immersive visuals. AOPEN's 21.5-inch monitor with full HD 1080p resolution delivers the incredible crisp, true-to-life colors come alive with the amazing 1920x 1080 resolution, allowing you to enjoy high-definition entertainment in the comfort of your home. Enjoy smooth video playback with a rapid 5 milliseconds response time. Your eyes will stay strain-free thanks to AOPEN VisionCare's array of eye-protecting technologies. 21.5 Full HD, 1920x 1080, widescreen VGA display. Refresh rate 75 Hz, using HDMI port. Response time 5 milliseconds. AOPEN eye protection, BlueLight filter flickerless technology. Ports 1x HDMI 1x VGA, HDMI cable included. Top reviews from the United States. Worth it, value and quality. I purchased this monitor to be a dual monitor setup for my home office. It is as described. Brand new, it comes with HDMI cable and power cord for monitor. Only downside is the stand it's on it a bit stiff, cannot just adjust it at will, also bare minimum ports, but for the price you really cannot complain. Worth the buy.